Okay, girls, we're going to really concentrate on tree diagrams here. And it says a bag contains 5 blue and 3 white marbles, and 2 marbles are selected without replacement. This is a super big idea, so I want you to highlight it. Without replacement. Big idea. All right, so here's my tree diagram. I'm going to draw it, and I'm picking 2, so I need to have pick 1 and pick 2. And that's kind of the columns I think about when I'm doing this. And I start over here. There's always a starting dot, and I want to pick a blue or a white. I'm not sure which I'll pick out, so I'll list both possibilities. And then after I pick that marble out, I'm going to keep it in my hand, and then I'm going to pick a second one, and it's going to either be blue or white, and blue or white. Okay, so it says draw a tree diagram. I'm drawing it showing all the possibilities. So I'm going to get blue blue, or blue white, or white blue, or white white. I'm just going along the tree to figure that out. Now I want to put down some probabilities. So when I look here, it says it contains 5 blue and 3 white, so 8 altogether. And so the probability of blue is 5 out of 8, and the probability of white is 3 out of 8. Now remember, I'm without replacement. So my next pick, there are only 7 marbles in that bag. So my denominator is 7 because it's a choice of 7. All right, so if I picked a blue marble out, there are now 4 blue marbles left. How do I know I picked a blue? Because I'm going along the blue path. So I picked that out. So now there are only 4 blues left. I did not pick a white, so there's still 3 whites. That 4 and 3 must add, that thing must add to 1, so those must add to 7. Here I go. I've chosen a white. I know that because I'm on the white path. So now all the blues are still left, but there are only 2 whites left. 5 plus 2 is 7. All right, great. So I've listed all the things. It says find the probability of a blue marble followed by a white, blue white. So I'm going to go along that path and multiply to get that probability. And I'm going to go 5 on 8 times 3 on 7. That equals 21 on 56. I'm just going to leave it like that. Probability of 2 blue marbles. Well, blue blue is the only one there. So I want the probability of blue blue. That's 5 on 8 times 4 on 7. That's 20 over 56. I know I could reduce, but I'm not worried about it right now. And then it says exactly 1 blue. Well, that would be the probability of white blue and blue white. That would be exactly 1 blue marble. So I'm gonna find this white blue here. 3 on 8 times 5 on 7, which is 15 on 56. And when I'm off the table now, and I found these 2 probabilities for exactly 1 blue marble, I'm off the table now. I found these probabilities. I'm going to add them together. And I would reduce that fraction, but I'm not going to because my video is going to go too long. The last one says, if the experiment is repeated with replacement, find the answers to each question. Well, if I did that, which I'm not going to do, these numbers would be 5 on 8 and 3 on 8 and 5 on 8 and 3 on 8 because I would have put the marble back in. So with replacement is a little bit easier because these values stay the same on their blue and white rungs. You can do that one, but there'll be one in your working that you have to do. Okay, girls. These are the problems I want you to do. 8E, 1 and 5, and 8F. Sorry about that glitch. It's 8E, 1 and 5, and 8F, 4 and 5. Well done.